Some users cannot add and edit their MP4s in the Photos video editor because of this error. Does the same error pop up when you try to add your MP4 in Photos? And if does, this is how you can fix the problem. Now firstly, use the Repair and Reset options for Photos. To do that, open Apps and Features, scroll down, look for Photos, click More Options, click Advanced Options, then scroll down again and look for the Repair option. After that, you can try adding the MP4 file again in the Photos. If that did not work, try clicking the Reset option. For the next thing you should do is try to delete the previous video projects. So just do it by opening Microsoft Photos application, select Video Editor tab, select the check boxes for all the video projects you won't be needing, then click Delete. Once you're done doing that, close out of Photos, restart your computer, then try adding your MP4 files again. For your last fix, re-register your Photos. Do it by opening PowerShell as an admin, execute the following command, then press Enter. Once done, exit PowerShell and then restart your computer. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following Photos error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.